Hello students, I am Manoj Kumawat from Civil Department of CITM Jaipur. Students, today we are discuss our design of steel structure second unit fourth design steps of through types of plate girder. Hello students, now we let's start design steps of through type plate girder bridge. Through type plate girder may be designed in two parts. First part is design of stringer beam, second part is the design of cross beams. In design of stringer beam, we can step first load calculation. In step first, we calculate the load that's come from the dead load and the live load. Dead load is the combination of weight of rails, fastening, weight of sleepers, or as well as weight of self weight of sleepers. Weight of rails and fastening is given in case sleepers. Weight of sleepers is equals to volume into density upon 1 upon spacing of sleepers. Now we calculate the combination of weight of rail plus weight of fastening plus weight of sleepers known as the superimposed. Second part of step first, live load. Live load can be calculated by using the bridge rule books, which is published by the Authority of India. From bridge rule EUDL for given span, we can be write down the value of directly bending moment and shear force and also the CDA coefficient. This is the part of a single page of bridge rule books. Let's assume that our span is 3 meter. Then the bending moment is equals to 490 kilonewton and shear force is equals to 662 kilonewton and CD is equals to 1. Now we calculate live load on one stringers, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus CD into shear force. Now we calculate total load on one stringer. This is the combination of live load plus superimposed dead load. Cell weight of stringer W upon 300 into span. W is equals to the combination of live load plus superimposed dead load. Total dead load. Total dead load is the combination of rail weight of fastening, weight of rails, weight of dense sleepers and also cell weight of the stringers. Now we calculate total load including impact for shear purpose. Now we calculate total load including impact for shear force purpose, which is equals to live load for shear force plus total dead load. Then live load for shear force is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 plus CD into shear force. Total load including bending moment purpose is equals to live load for bending moment plus dead load. 1 plus C 1 by 2 1 plus CD into bending moment that are taken from the bridge rule books. Now we come at step second known as calculation of maximum bending moment and shear force. Maximum bending moment M is equals to WL square by 8 in case of UDL, but WL by 4 in case of point load. But here WM is equals to W into L, so we write down M is equals to WM into L by 8. Now second point is maximum shear force. Maximum shear force V is equals to WL by 2 in case of UDL, but WF is equals to W into L, so shear force is equals to WF by 2. Step third known as the section selection, means we choose a suitable section from our steel tables that resist all loads that come from the step first and step seconds. For section selections, let us assume that section is plastic. Now we choose the section as per the elastic section modulus. For this purpose we calculate elastic section modulus ZE. For calculation of ZE we use shape factor. Shape factor is known as ratio of plastic section modulus to the elastic section modulus, and for I sections shape factor is 1.13 approx. Now Z is equals to ZP upon 1.13. Here ZP is equals to plastic section modulus. Now we calculate ZP. ZP is equals to M upon Fy is equals into gamma m naught. Gamma m naught and Fy is equals to 250 Newton per mm square and gamma m naught is equals to 1.10. Now we select suitable section from steel table as per elastic section modulus and write down the properties of the sections. Here the tables which taken from the IS 800 2007. For there are the resistance governed by the yielding. This is known as the gamma m naught. This partially factor of safety is equals to 1.10. There are the other factor of safety is given. Now step fourth is known as calculation of design moment or check for design moment. In this case we check our section as per the IS 800 2007 table number 2 page number 18, that we can check our section is plastic or other semi plastic, rigid, etc. Then we use table number 2 and page number 18. There B upon TF is less than 8.4 epsilon and D upon TW is less than 84 epsilon. Epsilon is equals to root of 250 upon Fy. Fy is equals to 250 Newton per mm square. So epsilon is equals to 1. Then we calculate Zp. Zp is equals to 1.13 and Ze. Design bending moment. Here we calculate design bending moment. Md is equals to Zp into Fy upon gamma m naught. Md should be greater than bending moment that we calculated in step second. If this situation is satisfied, then our design is safe. Otherwise we choose other section and calculate the same process from the step third. Now we check for shear. Vd is equals to H into Tw up into Fy upon root 3 gamma m naught. Design shear force should be greater than shear force that calculated in step second. If is satisfied, then our design is safe. Otherwise we repeat the sections. Here the table number 2 which are taken from the IS 800 2007. Now let us start part second, design of cross beams या cross girders. As per the bridge rule, total length of the cross beam is a twice of the spacing of cross beam or main girder. Means as per the bridge rule, L is equals to 2 into center to center spacing of main girder. In step first, load calculation. Cross beams and stringer are load calculation is same, so we prefer same as stringers. Step second, load calculation for bending moment and shear force. First, maximum bending moment. Here we taken m by 2 and spacing of plate girder. Then we calculate RA or RB, whichever is prefer. Now we calculate maximum bending moment at center by the taking any part. Maximum shear force at the supports, means where the bending moment maximum, shear force is minimum or 0. Where is the bending moment minimum or 0, shear force is the maximum. At the simply supported beam supports have the moment is 0, so maximum shear force is come at the supports. Step third, section selections, same as stringer. Calculation of design bending moment, same as stringers, which discuss about the steps. Check for shear, which is also same as the stringers. Thank you, students.